So there are two aspects of this. One is the content inside performance marketing, and one is the content outside performance marketing. Let's take a use case of any startup. Let's say you are running a fintech startup, which is an app. Let's say it's like a Paytm, or let's say a Jupiter, or whatever. Now you will be running the ads. You will be showing it to different people. Now your one app can have multiple audience segment. Like the same app can be used by 18 to 22 people who are inside college. The same app can be used by professionals. The same app can be used by, let's say, people who are married. Now, for three different people, you have to show three different communication, three different visuals. Maybe for 18 or 22, the guy or the girl I will pick who is inside my ad creative is a teenager, but I cannot show that teenager to someone who is married, because then he or she will not click on that, which is basically called relatability score. And the metrics of performance marketing we judge by, there is something called CTR, click through rate. Better the ad, better relevant the ad, better contextual the ad is, the better CTRs will be and the lesser the cost will be. So this is what major difference is. If your creatives can decrease the cost by at least 50% to a 60% if you crack the creative right. Now this is what the majority of the problem comes into. A lot of performance marketers are data based, are data oriented. They do not understand creativity, and hence what eventually happens is these people are only understanding tools, and they don't understand how to write the right copywriting and what to write the right text and what to show the ad as right model. You eventually again burn up more money. Your customer acquisition cost that could have been decreased by 20 rupees to 50 rupees, it's eventually shorts up. That is part one, which is the content role playing inside performance marketing. Then there is a content role playing outside performance marketing, which is your social media marketing and everything. Now, why is it very important? For every business that you do, let's say currently I had the growth at better half. So my perspective is basically this, that there's a metric called CAC, which is CAC, customer acquisition cost, and the calculation of CAC in very simplest term is this, that all of the spends that you had per month plus the taxes that you paid, which is 80%, plus the tools cost. Let's say you are using an SMS tool, let's say you are using an email tool. Combine all of the tools and you divide that by number of users you got. That will tell you per user getting cost. Your job is to decrease the cost. Your job is to decrease the CAC with time. How will the CAC decrease? The only way the CAC decrease if you are building a brand and people are organically searching for you. Now, how people will organically search? Social media comes into place. Now, if you consistently understand how people behave, how humans behave, and if you're able to crack shareable content, which and organically, if you're able to grow your social media to a next level, for next 6 months, what will happen? You will see your CAC starts decreasing day by day, week by week, by 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, just because of social media is kicking in, and that's where the content comes into place outside performance marketing. These are the two general factors of the content.